Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I am driving now, BRB. All right, we are back. So the plan, as far as Grant knows, is I am headed to his house so that I can get him to test fit some wheels that I might be buying from him. What he doesn't know is I also brought a ton of parts with me. So I'm gonna just, kind of make him do a lot of work for me today. So also, I did go by the tire shop and got some tires mounted. So now the Z shouldn't be so sketchy to drive around. So I'll pick this back up later. All right, we are at Grant's house. Say hi, Grant.
Oh, hey.
Hey, Grant. Did I tell you I shaved my hair off?
Yeah, grow it back.
Thanks, Grant. So first thing we're doing is taking off the shocks and struts. We're gonna put some coilovers. And by we, of course, I mean Grant does all the work and I stand there and, make fun of him. So update, the coilovers were built backwards.
Yeah, those poor Taiwan kids don't know their left and their right.
To be fair, I don't think Grant knows his left and right, but anyways, we're gonna get this fixed. Yay, cars. We are making progress. My car will definitely be drivable and not too low and terrible.
Oh, it's gonna be low.
All right, quick pit stop to the parts store. Grant gave me the keys to his 4Runner. He said it doesn't go and it doesn't stop. So this should be fun. So like the wheels off center a little bit, but honestly this thing drives pretty nice. I've driven way sketchier stuff than this. So I just realized when I look in the mirror, he has a sticker that says you just lost the game. So I lost the game, you lost the game, we all lost the game. Thanks, Grant. All right, parts acquired. Back to Grant's. Go Takumi, go! All right, guys, what do we think? I think that might be a bit much.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's like a smidge wide. But honestly, like, I think that would look fine. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but I'm into it. The rear's not near as bad. Please send help. Grant's making me do work now.
Oh no, God forbid.
That looks great. Looks great. So this side was like half an inch lower. So Grant's gonna raise it a little bit. But other than that, pretty dialed. All right, so this is what these are gonna look like in the rear. I gotta say, I don't hate it.
Settle somewhere.
It's fine. We'll just roll the fender a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, yes, we did make my car pretty low. Grant is very low. It might be the ugliest car here, but it is here. We're at a car meet. And that there, a rocket. I think gas station lighting really does make it look better. So good. All right, so that is gonna do it for this video. Car meet was a blast, but I've got about an hour drive home. Big thanks to Grant for all his help in getting the coilovers on, and catch you guys in the next one.